Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking this padlock. It's a unique world ball and it's one of the smiley face type padlocks. The reason I'm picking this is there's been a couple of videos on YouTube by fantastic Boaz L. I don't know how you pronounce that, so sorry buddy if I've pronounced it wrong. It does have a working key, and that's the key for it. Hope you can see that. Show you it working. I've picked this quite a few times, but I've never actually done a video of picking it. So Boaz L inspired me to dig it out. So it's locked up. I was spot on. These are very awkward to tension because what you've got is obviously the smiley face running underneath. You've got where the pins are just there, and it's one of these edges you've got to tension. He uses a paper clip, and I've done that many times on this and it works an absolute treat. But what I use is one of these. So it's one of the Peterson 5. They come from very flexy up to quite stiff. So we'll go getting it open. Probably be easier in a vise because when you're tensioning this, it's not a case of tensioning like so. You've got to pull down on the tension wrench. Let's see how we get on. Like I say, it is locked up. It's difficult to hold and do it. Let's see how we get on. Not going to apply the tension yet. Apply it now. You're probably not going to see. So I'm literally pulling down on that tension wrench. It's just got it. As you can see. With a bit of luck, if I can stretch over. It does actually have ball bearings inside this, so it's probably unshimmable. So that's a video of single pin picking a smiley faced unique world ball padlock. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.